Three men are now facing charges after they were arrested for allegedly tampering with Meralco electric meters in Cavite. Mobile journalist Jazz Paredes has this report.
Three men have been arrested for allegedly tampering with Meralco electric meters in the municipality of General Emilio Aguinaldo, Cavite. The suspects allegedly targeted customers who wanted to lower their monthly electric bills. The CIDG Regional Field Unit 4A conducted an entrapment operation on Friday, July 24, with several Meralco representatives posing as customers. The operation led to the arrest of the alleged driver, negotiator, and electrician, one of whom was identified as a third-party lineman.
So, ang promise nila ay pwedeng i-calibrate ang resistor depende doon sa electric bill na gusto ng customer o yung mag-a-avail sa kanila. So, ibig sabihin, pag ang ginusto ng customer, 1,500 lang ang maging electric bill niya monthly, ay magiging fixed na po yun sa kasunod pang mga buwan.
Authorities recovered a tampered electric meter, a resistor device used to manipulate the meter, and other equipment used to illegally alter electric meters. The operation stemmed from a complaint filed by Meralco after individuals were found offering electric meter tampering services online for a package price of 15,000 pesos. The suspects allegedly claim that they can calibrate the meter according to the consumer's desired monthly electric bill. However, police are warning the public that the illegal practice poses a serious safety risk.
So, ang danger po nito ay pwedeng mag-overload at mag-short circuit ang kuryente, which is pwedeng mag-cause ng sunog or fire doon sa mga kabahayan, lalo-lalo na doon sa mga bahay na made in light material.
Authorities say the suspects had already serviced several customers, and those households are now being traced by the Philippine National Police and Meralco.
So, nung mag-ausap namin ang tatlong arrested na suspects, ay nasabi po nila na may 31 household na po sila na nakakabitan. At ito po ngayon ang tinitrace namin ng PNP at ng Meralco para po matunto natin yung mga household na nakabitan na po nila.
The suspects are now facing charges for violating the Anti-Electricity and Electric Transmission Lines or Materials Privilege Act of 1994. Meanwhile, in a statement, Meralco said it continues to work closely with the Philippine National Police to intensify the fight against electricity theft, including illegal electric meter tampering. The company also urged the public not to avail of such illegal services, warning that offenders may face imprisonment and fines under the law. Meralco further called on the public to help combat electricity theft by reporting illegal connections and suspicious activities through its 24/7 hotline 16211 or via its official Facebook and social media accounts. Kapatid Jazz Paredes, we are One News.